Are you tired of eating the same old dishes and looking for something new and exciting? If you're craving a fresh food experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some amazing food fusion ideas that blend flavors from different cultures, giving you a taste of something truly unique. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to spice up your meals, we've got you covered. Stick around to see all the delicious options we've found for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more exciting food content. Hit that notification bell too. Ready to dive into these incredible flavors? Let's get started. 1. The magic of food fusion. Food fusion is a creative way of cooking that mixes ingredients, techniques, and flavors from different culinary traditions to create new and exciting dishes. Imagine combining the spicy kick of Mexican food with the freshness of Japanese sushi, or adding a touch of Italian pasta to a classic Indian curry. This blending of cuisines results in unique flavors that offer a fresh take on familiar dishes, making each bite an adventure. Over time, food fusion has grown as people from different cultures and backgrounds have shared their cooking styles and recipes. As the world became more connected, chefs and home cooks started experimenting by mixing flavors from different parts of the world. This has led to the creation of entirely new dishes that reflect a blend of cultures. Today, food fusion is a popular trend in both restaurants and home kitchens, celebrating the diversity and creativity that come from bringing different culinary traditions together. 2. Discovering culinary surprises in unlikely places. Finding gourmet food in unexpected places can be a delightful surprise. Imagine stumbling upon a food truck in a busy city street or discovering a small market stall in a rural town and being served a dish that rivals the finest restaurants. These places often offer more than just convenience. They bring creativity and authenticity to the table. Food trucks, for example, have the freedom to experiment with different flavors and ingredients, creating dishes that are both innovative and delicious. Markets and rural areas can also provide a taste of local traditions mixed with new culinary ideas, making the experience even more special. These unconventional locations often produce memorable dishes because they break away from the formalities of traditional dining. Without the pressure of a fancy setting, chefs can focus on what matters: the food. They use fresh, local ingredients and pour their passion into every dish. This authenticity and creativity shine through, offering diners a unique and flavorful experience that's hard to find anywhere else. 3. Spotlight on street food fusion. Street food is a global phenomenon that brings people together through the love of quick, delicious meals. It's more than just convenient food. It's a melting pot of cultures and flavors. Around the world, street vendors often experiment with different ingredients and cooking styles, creating dishes that blend culinary traditions from various regions. This creativity has made street food a hub for food fusion, where new and exciting flavors are born. One popular example of street food fusion is the Korean Mexican taco, which combines the bold flavors of Korean barbecue with the familiar comfort of a Mexican taco. Another example is Indian Chinese snacks, where spicy Indian spices meet the savory goodness of Chinese cooking. These dishes are not just tasty, they represent the best of both worlds, offering something unique and exciting. Street food fusion shows how blending different culinary traditions can lead to delicious and unforgettable eating experiences. 4. Unique restaurant experiences. Unique restaurants often hide in unexpected places, offering innovative fusion cuisine that makes them true hidden gems. Imagine a cozy beachside shack where Caribbean and Asian flavors come together in one delicious dish, or a mountain lodge serving a blend of European and African cuisine. These restaurants may be off the beaten path, but they offer a dining experience that's worth the journey. The chefs in these places are often inspired by their surroundings and the mix of cultures, leading to creative dishes that surprise and delight their guests. The setting of these restaurants plays a big role in making the experience special. A meal at a beachside shack is enhanced by the sound of waves and the fresh sea breeze, while a mountain lodge offers stunning views that make every bite more memorable. The ambiance of these unique locations adds to the overall enjoyment of the meal, making it not just about the food, but about the entire experience of dining in a place that feels truly special. 5. Surprising flavor combinations. Surprising flavor combinations can create some truly unique and delicious dishes. For example, sushi burritos blend the fresh flavors of sushi with the hearty, handheld convenience of a burrito. Another creative dish is Mediterranean-inspired ramen, where traditional Japanese noodles are paired with Mediterranean ingredients like olives, feta cheese, and herbs. These dishes may seem unusual at first, but they bring together the best of both worlds, offering something new and exciting for the taste buds. These combinations work because they balance different flavors and textures in a way that complements each other. The freshness of sushi pairs well with the richness of a burrito, while the light, savory elements of Mediterranean cuisine add a new twist to the comforting warmth of ramen. By mixing techniques and ingredients from different culinary traditions, these dishes create a harmonious flavor profile that's both surprising and satisfying. 6. Interviews with chefs and food experts. Interviews with chefs who specialize in food fusion offer a fascinating glimpse into their creative process. These chefs often draw inspiration from their travels, cultural experiences, and a desire to experiment with different ingredients. For example, a chef might explain how a trip to Thailand inspired them to add a spicy twist to a traditional Italian dish, creating a new and exciting flavor. Their passion for blending different culinary traditions is what makes their dishes so unique and enjoyable. Food critics and influencers also play a key role in highlighting these culinary adventures. They often share their experiences of trying these fusion dishes, describing the surprising yet delightful flavors they encounter. Their reviews and recommendations help others discover these hidden gems and encourage more people to explore the world of food fusion. By bringing together the insights of chefs and the experiences of food lovers, these interviews add depth and excitement to the exploration of unique culinary experiences. 7. Cultural impact of food fusion. Food fusion is more than just a way to create tasty dishes. It's a powerful way to bring different cultures together. By blending ingredients and cooking styles from various traditions, food fusion helps people appreciate and understand different cultures. When you enjoy a dish that combines flavors from different parts of the world, you're experiencing a mix of cultures coming together on your plate. This not only makes the food exciting but also fosters a sense of connection and understanding between people. Globally, food fusion has had a big impact on dining trends. Chefs around the world are inspired to experiment with new combinations, creating dishes that reflect the diversity of our global community. This creativity has led to the rise of new and exciting flavors that continue to influence how we eat and enjoy food, making the world of cuisine richer and more diverse. 8. Tips for adventurous eaters. For those who love exploring new foods, there are simple ways to find hidden culinary gems. Start by checking local food blogs, where writers often share their favorite spots. You can also use apps that help you discover new restaurants based on reviews or food types. Exploring lesser-known neighborhoods or visiting local markets can also lead you to unexpected and delightful meals. Being open-minded is essential for adventurous eating. Don't shy away from trying dishes that are new or different from what you usually eat. Often, the most surprising flavors turn out to be the most memorable. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you open yourself up to new and exciting culinary experiences that you might not have found otherwise. Embrace the adventure, and you'll likely discover some incredible new favorites along the way. Thank you for joining us on this food fusion adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning about these unique culinary experiences and feel inspired to try some new flavors yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more exciting food content. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite food fusion dish or a new one you want to try. And if you know someone who would enjoy this video, share it with them. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best food adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.